1 year. Here, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you, Nicholas. Madhva, would you be able to kind of introduce a little bit, if that is fine? Okay, Krishna.
Yeah, hi team. So actually, I'm a MuleSoft developer. I'm working for the Capgemini right now in Hyderabad. So I used
Awesome,
to live in Hyderabad. So I was very excited for the meet for the concept of RPA configurations.
awesome,
So
fantastic.
thank you for opportunity for Rohit for
Thank you.
providing this.
Welcome to the meetup, Jayant. Uh, are you able to hear us? Okay, perfect, fantastic. I'll go ahead and kind of share the screen and start kick off the presentation. Perfect. So thank you guys. This is the 11th uh, LA meetup uh, group meeting, and today we are kind of uh, celebrating Max's birthday. I hope you all are aware about what Max is. Max is the kind of MuleSoft's mascot basically, and 10 years back, MuleSoft started this as a mascot. Mm. Safe harbor statement. I, as the speaker of this particular event, is organizing this in my individual capacity, and I'm not representing here my company or my business. Uh, this is for strictly for the learning purpose only, and I I I or the another organizer do not hold any of the responsibility if any of the solution that we discuss here do not work for your use cases, and we are not promoting any of our activities here. This is strictly personal, on the personal basis. We are kind of recording this particular session, and the recording will be available within 24 hours. If you guys have any question, you can just unmute yourself and ask the question. Very informal, nothing formal. And please share your feedback for the upcoming meetup. We are going to start having the meetup every month. We have another one scheduled for September, October, and November as well. Okay. Uh, so if any of you like to suggest any of the discussion points for the future meetups, please do so uh, in the chat, or I can share the email. You can share the topics over there, and if possible I will be taking a snapshot of this particular meetup after the discussion. All good? Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you. So let me give a little bit of an introduction about me and another organizer who is not available due to some emergency, but we have two organizers for this meetup. We will be talking a little bit about the latest Mule release features, and we will talk about the different product updates that MuleSoft has released in last 1 year. And after that, we are gonna kind of celebrate Max's birthday with one of our special guests here, and I'll give a little bit of information which kind of topics we are gonna discuss in the upcoming meetups. Okay, perfect. We are here at the uh, virtual meetup of Los Angeles LA Meetup MuleSoft Meetup Group, and my name is Rohit Malik, and I'm the engineering manager at Ffolio Incorporation. It is one of the publicly listed company that is based out in Santa Barbara, California. And my another organizer who is not available here, Bipesh Pokhriyal. He is a technology delivery manager at EY. So I am a MuleSoft top mentor about me, and with 18 years of industry experience, I also lead the Santa Barbara Salesforce admin group, and I work for Affolion Corporation. Some of the latest features, in latest 4.7.2, we got the parameter resolution error handling, for which we that no longer affect when the parameterized operation is inside a dynamic dereferencer flow. And currently, if the flow with a stopped initial state maintain their status upon the application restart, so it persists basically. And how can we enable that? If we can check the flag on the flow state, then we can set the state of the flow basically. Or token invalidation is released, and there is an exception type class not found exception is no longer thrown when the upgrading when we upgrade from 4.4 4.4.0 using the O2 authentication code and the object store tokens basically. Another couple of features are that argument materialization is now improved at the for the try function, and the MuleSoft has enabled the streaming capability for the sum, count by, and sum by functions. This is very helpful. Okay, sorry about it. And API gateway initialization no longer fails if the quorum isn't reached in a cluster mode, and hard timeout for the platform request is now available by setting the um, uh, request timeout in milliseconds. These are some of the features in latest release MuleSoft has released. Okay, so in last 1 year or so, or MuleSoft has released, or the platform team has released many features, and on the Anypoint update side, they have released Anypoint Flex Gateway. They released the DataWeave 2.7 instead of, this is a typo, but they have released DataWeave 2.7, and they have released many features around the API governance, which provides the customizable policies, detailed API matrices. This enhanced API governance has enhanced compliance monitoring on the platform, and with this we can ensure that we adhere to the organizational and industry standards for the API governance. Uh, I think you guys would be hearing a lot about intelligent document processing and MuleSoft RPA. These are impacting the industry a lot in a positive way. Uh, the IDP is kind of a UI based tool that automate the extraction and processing of the data from the unstructured document, and make it very easy to integrate the document translation with any of the enterprise systems, or through any of the business flows basically. Um, you would also be hearing about the RPA, robotic process automation. MuleSoft is really well competing with other platforms like UiPath in this particular domain, and this particular capability is now revolutionizing the automation area basically. With this, the companies or businesses are automating any of the trivial work through the bots, and it integrates seamlessly with the Anypoint platform and enable the end-to-end automation across the MuleSoft platform. On the developer experience enhancement side, they have released Anypoint Code Builder, and they have released many of the new connectors that, for example, they have kind of a release the revamped core connector like file connector, enhanced scripting module, and new Salesforce and SAP connectors basically. On the automation innovation side, they have kind of a released new various features on Anypoint automation side. Now we have comprehensive suite of workflow automation that leverages the MuleSoft integration capabilities. Now MuleSoft through the UI Anypoint UI, MuleSoft allows the UI flow building and orchestration that allows any of the non-tech person to develop the complex automation sequences. Okay, many features around and monitoring and observability. You would be looking into those in your Anypoint monitoring. That there are various new dashboards and reporting features that helps in real-time visibility into the application performance and API usages. Yeah, these are some of the product releases in the recent couple of months. Okay, we are a little early for this celebration, probably 2 or 3 days. The MuleSoft team is celebrating uh, Max's birthday throughout the world, and starting from June 17th to July 17th, Europe and Middle East area was assigned for the Max celebration, and Asia Pacific region has been celebrating Max's birthday from July 17 to August 17, and I took a little exception from MuleSoft team to celebrate this particular event a little early. We are probably launching this celebration in North America, and the final celebration of it is going to be a big event that MuleSoft team is going to celebrate Max's birthday in San Francisco, Salesforce headquarters. Yeah, that's so. Here's the fun part that we have a special guest today, and I think if as there are many couple of uh, meetup members from India, I think let me introduce to our special guest here. Please welcome Dipali Natu Kelkar, who is on call with Milind Kelkar basically. My hello Dipali. Thank you for joining this call.
Thank you.
So guys, let me give a little background about Dipali. Dipali comes with a very rich background in Marathi and Hindi theater in India, and she has actively engaged in performing arts since 1999. She began her career in Hindi as a song artist, and she has been involved in various Marathi movies and theater productions. Dipali has also worked with various theater personalities back in India. One of the renowned personality is Milind Kelkar. Sarman Joshi, basically, not Milind Kelkar. And Milind Kelkar is a well-known personality here in L area. Hi, Milind.
Hi, Rohit. Hi, everyone.
Yeah, yeah. Dipali is in the Los Angeles area. That is when I connected with Dipali and requested her that please uh, launch our Max celebration, Max birthday celebration. Dipali,
Yes.
please help us in launching the Max birthday.
Yes. Since we are celebrating Mac's 10th birthday today, here is my song for him. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, Happy birthday, dear Max. Happy birthday to you. जिस पे नजर ये रुक जाए, बेमिसाल जो कहलाए, जिस पे नजर ये रुक जाए, बेमिसाल जो कहलाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, ओहो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, ओहो हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर मैक्स, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Deepali. Thank you so much. Awesome.
You're mute probably, Rohit, if you're speaking.
Thank you for highlighting that, Vinay. Okay, so we are gonna have the next September meetup in Santa Barbara, in Afulia headquarters, basically. There we are gonna discuss about intelligent document processing, and in October we are talking further about the robotic process automation. And in November, we are scheduled to discuss about optimizing vCode usages as well as the MuleSoft Composer. These are the topics that we plan to discuss in our next meetup groups. Okay, and that concludes our discussion. Let me pause for a couple of minutes and let me know if you guys have any of the questions. Anybody?
For now, it's perfect for me.
Thank you, Nicholas. Okay, thank you guys, and thank you for your time for this group, and see you guys in September. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Great. Bye.